Good morning. I'm Sylvia, the crafty old lady, and I hope you are doing well. I hope you're happy, healthy, and safe and warm. And thank you for joining me today for December Daily number 10, Traditions. Now, one of our traditions is going to see Santa, but we haven't actually done that yet, but I will decorate the page for that. When we took our daughter to Bass Pro Shop on Saturday. Santa wasn't there yet. So I did pick up this nice little wish list, which has some neat images in it. And I thought I was going to cut this one out, but this one looks bigger. So I'm just going to cut this out and put some of our pictures in there that I took because I want to document the day. I also have a couple of pictures of my grandson, but I also have these were our visitor tags when we went to visit our friend in the hospital. And I'm going to put those in there. Also, I don't know, this is like a little city, and they like row houses, and they have a lot of those in the Albany area, so I think I'll decorate the page for that with that. But I have extra pages in here because I'm only planning on using one page per prompt, and I might only go up to 25 even. But so in the back here, I'm going to just put some personal ephemera that happens throughout December. And if I need to, I can put some more stuff in here. This is my next journal. It's going to just be like a winter journal, or winter until whenever I'm done with it. So it's not done yet. The cover's done, although I might decide to add, actually not green, but red. I know I'm going to put some red pom-poms there. So anyway, I can put some of my December personal ephemera in there if I need to. But I'm going to just I'm going to start here. And let's see. I'm just going to go ahead and keep this as, I'm going to put this down here. This is going to just, I'm just going to keep it. What am I trying to say? I am just going to keep the natural page there. I'm not going to cover it up, as I kind of tend to do. And so this is what I'm going to do. I hope you're having a great day so far. I'm going to be taking my dog out for a walk in a little bit. Last night we went to go visit our son and our daughter-in-law and grandson, and we helped him decorate their Christmas tree. What is this? Oh, that's a chimney. I thought it was not supposed to be there, but it's a chimney. So I'll put that there. I was thinking about, I do have, I think, enough space to just put these on a colorful background. So I'm going to get some paper out, and I want to do like red or green for Christmas, but this wouldn't match very well. So let me see what else I can do. I also got these new flowers. Maybe I'll just decorate the page with a couple of flowers too. Backed these up on pink and blue cardstock. And now I'm just gonna, it looks like they're gonna start turning colors because of the glue, even though these were backed up on other paper. I hope that doesn't happen. The glue seeped through. I wonder if it would be better to use this glue. I don't know. I guess it seeped right through the backing that was on the tag themselves. That's weird. I hope it doesn't get worse. Oh well. Over time, these may just disappear. Have you had that trouble with that kind of, is it the thermal printer glue printouts? The glue kind of just makes them turn black. I've got that. And I think I'll put a pink flower here and a blue flower there. And I'll put a date sticker on there. Oh boy. I'm going to have to put these in something. I'm never going to get just a pink and a blue one out. Hold on. Alright, I got them in here. I'm going to get my Fabri-Tac. Get a pink flower. This one's kind of messed up a little. Of course. We'll get it. It's folded. One of the petals is folded. I don't think I want to battle with that today. I'll battle that with that folded petal a different day. Alright, so I'm going to put this one right here. Oops. And I'll put the blue one maybe over here. And that matches nicely with this little, whoops, got two of them there. With the little row houses down there. Maybe I'll put a snowflake on somewhere too, just to make, oh, it does say December 6th on it, but let's put a snowflake on there anyway. Alright. So, big one or a little one? It was very cold that day. I think a big one. Oops. It kind of fell apart. That's so strange. Huh. They've got printed like backgrounds on the paper, that on the plastic part. That doesn't come off. Okay. We'll put this up here. And I'll put the tag. Uh-oh. What happened here? Is one of them missing? Oh, I see. You probably saw that. Alright, we'll put that there with a little tag for the date. And then I can write over here if I need to. A little bit about what we did. And I got these. I'm going to send for more of these. I think these little Temu little labels. They're really nice. None of them really match though. I guess the gray matches the best. I just need a little tag for the date, so I'll put that right here. Well, that doesn't look too bad, except that I put it on crooked. And the date was, I don't even know why I need the date though. The date's right there. That's silly. Let's not do that. Let's get on with our next spread. Our next layout. The Bass Pro Shop layout. I need to cut some things out and then we'll come back and finish that up. And that one I might want to put the date on. So I got some cute ephemera cut out from the catalog, and I'm going to make this be a double page layout because I like the ephemera so much. So I guess that's what we're going to do. So we'll put the pictures on and we'll have the bears in their little fire by their campfire. And then the pictures. I did cover up Bethany's face for this. So, sorry. I know I feel weird sometimes doing that. But, you know, it's okay for her privacy. So I'm going to put this one right here. And I'll put, maybe I'll just put Bass Pro Shop right there like that. And I think I'll use the glue stick for the magazine pages. So she liked seeing the fish. But we didn't really look around too much. There was a lot of cute things there though. So I did want this to look more than just pictures and that. So I cut out some of these cute little woodland animal drawings or cartoons, whatever you want to call them. They're going to go there on the bottoms. Okay. Okay, I hope I have room for all of these, actually. I hope so. All right, they're going to go right there. Maybe we don't need both deer. Oh no, maybe I should just leave one of the deer out. I can use it in a different layout. Yeah, I think maybe that's what we'll do, because I think that's just too much. So let's put the pictures down. Oh, there's a big glob on that. What are your plans for today? When I'm filming this, it's Monday, December 9th, I believe. And I want to maybe go and get a couple of little presents for daughters-in-laws. One just wants a potato or vegetable peeler, so I want to get her a really nice vegetable peeler. And probably a gift card to somewhere. Alright, now we'll put the little campfire scene on there. I didn't cut these out in any spectacular way. They're kind of primitive. We'll put that in the middle. And it's okay if his ear is on there. I might maybe see if I can find some smaller little pictures to add to that. But first, what I want to do is go back to my main reason for being here. Well, not my main reason, but traditions. And like I said, our tradition is going to see Santa. And I thought maybe this would be a good background. A Santa's wish list. And I'm going to cut off the edges and see how it looks. I don't know anybody that will want to actually fill this out, so I think we'll be okay. Let's see now. So if we cut out a little bit more on this side, I think, and a little bit on the other side, we'll be good. We'll be even. Oh, I did cut off the A. Oh boy, it's not what I meant to do. I didn't even notice. Alright, well, let's do that. It's probably too skinny now. No, actually, it's pretty much perfect. Alright, let's see where I need to cut it off. Right here. Alright, so we're going to cover that. Oh, I could have made it bigger because I had this. Oh, for Pete's sake. What do you know? I could maybe put the S back on. Where is it? I don't even know where it went now. Is this it? Maybe I could... What do you think? Should I tack that on? I think I will, actually. I think I'll try. Why not? And just like I did with the baking, when or if or when I get a picture of somebody, grandkid, Bethany, or somebody visiting Santa, I can add that. But I'm gonna add a couple of other things here. Let's see, where did it go? Here it is. Well, I think that's looking okay. Alright, it's good enough. Good enough for me. Okay, some of this may end up actually, now there's glue on everything, This seam will probably be covered up with stuff eventually. But anyway, let's see if there's anything else I could add. I was thinking about adding this because, you know, Santa sits in a chair. I don't know, though. What about something from the catalog in the background? There was a page of visits to Santa somewhere, wasn't there? Oh, there it is. Where's the rest of it? I could put this on, like maybe over here, and cover that up. And there was more somewhere. Maybe not. Alright. Oh, there's a little bear I can put on the other page. Yeah, I think I'm going to go ahead and Santa's Wonderland at Bass Pro Shop. Well, we didn't actually see him there, so I guess we will not put that down. We never told Bethany that we were going to go see Santa because we weren't sure if he was there or not, because we didn't want her to be disappointed. We just told her we were going to see the fish. Okay. So I think we'll just go ahead and put this down. I wonder if you can hear my laundry spinning out. I'm going to go put that right there. And I think that might be it for this page. Unless I see something else. But then I can put, you know, pictures of my kids and grandkids on there. Well, my one kid on there. And I think that'll be cute. So that's a tradition, going to see Santa. And now let's get back to this page. I'm going to see if I can find some more little animals, and I will show you the finished layout. Great, so this is my finished layout. I think it came out really cute. Oh, I think do need to cut that off. I think it came out really cute, and I'm so glad that I spotted that catalog on my way out of the store. And you know, I can write about stuff on the blank spots. And let's go back. We did this layout here and this one, which I will add my own Santa visit pictures to when I get them. And I also might come up with a few other decorations, maybe. I don't know. We'll see. If I do, I'll show them to you, you know, as I get them. And tomorrow's prompt is merry and bright. Oh boy, that's kind of up for the interpretation of what merry and bright is. So anyway, thank you so much for watching, and I hope you'll come back and check out what I do for number 10. And we'll see you again. Bye-bye.